Most people think productivity means cramming more into your day, but the people who actually get the biggest results do less. The secret isn't in doing more things. It's in making one thing matter more than the rest. Here's why you feel overwhelmed. You treat every task as equal, but they're not. There's usually one thing that, if you did only that, would make the rest easier or even unnecessary. That's where productivity actually lives. Not in more effort, not in more hours, but in better selection. This is the MIT method. Most important task. Every day, you choose the one thing that will move you furthest toward your goal and make it the first thing you do. Step 1. Brain dump. Write down everything on your mind. Work, personal, errands. Get it all out so your brain stops holding it hostage. Step 2. Identify the domino. Ask, if I could only finish one thing today, what would make the biggest difference? Circle it. That's your MIT. Step 3. Protect it. Block time for it. Ideally first thing in the morning, before the world's noise takes over. Step 4. Finish before you switch. No checking email. No quick tasks. MIT first. Everything else, second. The hustle culture tells you to fill every minute with motion, but motion is not progress. Choosing your MIT daily is an act of intention. It forces you to confront what really matters and say no to what doesn't. And in the long run, that's how you protect your energy, your time, and your sanity. Tomorrow morning, before anything else, write down your MIT, circle it, protect it, then do it before you touch anything else. Try it for 1 week and watch what happens. And if this clicked for you, share it with someone still trapped in hustle mode. Because the truth is, productivity isn't about doing more. It's about doing what matters most.